Hello and welcome to our brand new listing here at Sierra Golf. Let's go and take a look inside. So we're starting off here at the front of the house at this beautiful front terrace with dining area space, out onto the front garden, and then down the side of the house your own private pool. So we've made our way into this spacious living room of this fantastic villa, which is 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms with a roof solarium. We'll make our way now into the kitchen. It's a good sized kitchen with back door out to a private patio. We've got a built-in barbecue, outdoor fridge and a storage area. So next we're moving into the bedrooms on the ground floor, which we have 2 bedrooms on the ground floor and 1 family bathroom. We've got bedroom number 1 with built-in wardrobes and new air conditioning. Making our way into bedroom number 2, also with built-in wardrobes. And the downstairs family bathroom. Next we're going to make our way upstairs to the roof solarium. So here we are on the sunny roof terrace with views out to the mountain on this beautiful quiet neighbourhood. It's a great spacious area for relaxing, sunbathing, having a barbecue, relaxing with a drink with some friends. Next we're making our way downstairs into the underbuild where there's a further 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Let's take a look. So here we are in bedroom number 3, which is a very spacious double with built-in wardrobes. Now we're in bedroom number 4, also with built-in wardrobes. And downstairs family bathroom. And now we're in bedroom number 5, which the current owners use as the master suite with built-in wardrobes and an ensuite bathroom. Thank you for watching the video. It's a fantastic villa with 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. For more information, take a look at our contact information down below and we'll book a viewing today. Thanks for watching.